Welcome to our channel One Step. Today I will teach you guys how you guys can find Papa John's promo code. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step for future promo code related videos just like this. Now the first thing is you want to search for coupon follow. And once you search for coupon follow, the first option, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to its official page, which is going to look just like this. And at the top versus search, you want to search for Papa John's. Once you write Papa, you can see Papa John's displayed over here. So just click on it and then it's going to show you all the promo code available for Papa John's. So from all of this, scan and choose the one which you like. Let's say I want to use this one, the 50% off one. I can click on show coupon code and it's going to show me coupon code. Now I can copy it and paste it on Papa John's official website when I'm ordering something, and I'm going to get 50% off from anything I order on Papa John's website. So that's how we guys can find promo code of Papa John's. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys in the future video for more promo code related videos just like this.